Rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hello, good day traders. StockLegends.com with another explosive stock analysis. We're going to look at SMAA for June 27th, 2012. Before we get into the technicals, please take a moment to stop by StockLegends.com, sign up for our free email newsletter, and you can also subscribe to our text alerts by texting LEGENDS to 411247. Under the alerts tab, we'll have our research report, so be sure to read that, and you can also take another look at the annotated charts. They'll be posted there when you get an opportunity to go to our website. Taking a look at the technicals, this is basically, you can see this goes from April to present time. Not a lot of trading here. We're trading between about 3 to 5 cents in a sideways channel, and the volume was fairly low. We had volume start to pick up. You can see once the volume picked up here, we saw the stock have a real nice run and ran all the way up to the 27-cent area. So it was a big move from the 3 to 5 cent area, so huge gains to be made. Now we basically have a solid trend support line that is the overall upward trend that we saw here. You can see the MACD is sort of coinciding with that upward trend. We also had mini trends as well. We had the support trend was pushing it up, and then we had a little bit of a pullback, and then we saw another upward move and then a pullback, and it found that support level. We saw the volume had remained fairly low here for several trading days, and that's usually a sign that a top is in if we don't break that resistance again soon. We saw here that the volume was slow for a few days, and then the volume picked up and we saw a real nice run again. You can see on this particular trading day we have very big volume candle, and that sparked a second run, and then you can see the volume just remained low, and the volume came in when the selling picked up, or the selling came in. So we saw a break of a support trend, and the MACD line crossed down at the same time. So this is a signal that we need to see either a pullback or a consolidation, and we had a little bit of both. You can see the stock fell back to a low of 11.6 cents, and we started to get some sideways movement. Now you can see the volatility is starting to get tight. I've drawn a red resistance line along the high points and a blue support line along the low points. You can see it's making a pennant type of a pattern, so the support and resistance is getting very tight, and it doesn't really have anywhere to go. We either need to see a breakout and another run occur. If we break this resistance line, we're going to see another run, or if we break the support, we're going to see a pullback, probably back down to where we had some previous support around the 10-cent level. Now volume is going to be the key. We can see basically that the volume had been low, but you know, we got some volume spikes here, and this is what we need to see. We need to see the volume pick up, and that's going to be the signal that we're going to see another run occur. We can see the MACD lines are starting to hook back in. They haven't crossed yet, so we don't have that buy signal yet. But when and if that resistance gets broken, we're going to see the MACD lines cross over at the same time. We're going to see another run occur. So you know, it's been consolidating here for the last 2 weeks, and it's given a great amount of time here to sort of settle in, and we think it's a great opportunity for traders to come back in and bring interest back in the stock, and it's in a perfect position to see a nice breakout. We don't have any resistance if we get a breakout until we get to the 26 to 27 cent area. These are our high points right here, so watch for some resistance up here, and if we get past that area, we don't have any resistance going forward from that particular point. Now looking at the RSI, this is the strength indicator. You can see that when it peaks here around 90 on the RSI, it gives us overbought signals. You can see it was overbought up in this area, and the RSI had a little bit of a pullback. It stayed above 50, and then we had another RSI overbought signal up here when it went up to about 85, and so we had to have another little pullback, and the RSI here has basically been floating around 50. It closed here at 51.99 or 52, so certainly not overbought at this point. But if we do see another run, you traders can use the RSI as that signal to suggest that we've got an overbought position when that RSI peaks too high, or you can use the MACD lines. It gave an excellent sell signal here. Watch for it to give more future perfect buy and sell signals in the following trading days. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to stop by StockLegends.com, and as always, happy trading.